going into flow and talking about some big flow that came through today, there was really one major flow that I really liked, and it was on another big FANG stock, and that is Apple. So Apple has yet to have earnings. Apple has earnings coming out next week. I think it's on Tuesday. Don't hold me to it. But Apple has earnings next week, up 2.84% right now. And I want to go over why I think that this is unusual. Now, just because something is unusual doesn't mean it's going to be a printer of money, obviously, or nobody would be losing money in the stock market. But I want to talk about why it's unusual, because I think it could be highly beneficial. If you're somebody who's within our Discord community and you have access to our flows, then you'll be able to understand a bit as to a little more understanding of what makes it unusual and what would make me throw this on a watch list. So you can see right now, it came through at 208 and 224. Obviously, symbol is Apple. Expiration is 9/20/2024. This is a couple of months long. So we have time on our side. It's the first thing we're looking for. I'm always looking at, when I'm looking at flow, time, size, urgency. Now, strike is 180. Far out of the money, $10 out of the money. You might be thinking, if you're somebody who hasn't been trading options for a while, oh, $10 out of the money, that's not that far. Sometimes I go $20 out of the money. $10 out of the money on $4 million is absolutely insane. So even though the IV is low, $10 out of the money, we have a couple of months on our hands. They came in on the ask. They came in as sweeps. This is all a good sign. So we have size and we have urgency because they came in on the ask. They don't care. They just want to get filled. The only other thing we're looking for is value. Now, $3 million is pretty big. I mean, as far as the actual, a big company like Apple, their options chain is going to look a lot different than a smaller company like Palantir or something. Their options chain is not going to look the same. So overall, with volume, normally volume is pretty high. But for me to give you guys a better understanding of this, look at how high the volume was today. Yesterday, the volume's 21, volume's 15, volume. Today, 3,888 contracts. And you know that most of them was that person. So very, very unusual. Now, am I following this? Personally, no. Like, I'm really not. I don't really think that the RVR is there on it. Like, Apple's back up near all-time highs, and it's not something I'm going to follow. But I felt that it was very good for me to actually share with you guys. So I hope this video helped, guys. Thanks for all the support. Check out our Discord community, link in the description, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.